Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up tri-tip on the Weber kettle with a slow and sear. We got a chunk of hickory in there, and we're getting the grill up to temp right now. We're gonna be cooking about 275, 300 most likely. And I've never cooked tri-tip before. I've been wanting to, and I was just walking around through a couple grocery stores today, thinking about what I'm cooking, and then boom, there it was. Yes, it's in a marinade. Nothing that I would really want. I wanted to season it up. But hey, first time getting tri-tip. Next time I'll just order one online if this comes out amazing. But it's Morton's out of Omaha. It's a little over 3 pounds. And for $5 a pound, I think that was a steal. Let's see what we got. It's in this packaging. And hopefully that's good. Why, it can't be bad, right? No way. So anyway, we're going to pop that on. Right now we are rolling at, come on, 270. Perfect. We're going to open this up, get it on, pop a barley pop. Yeah, it's time to get grilling. So I think I'm going to sear it, then pull it off the heat, cook it to about 125. Pull that when it's all done, but I'm going to sear both sides. And then let it rest 10-15 minutes, cut into this guy, and see what we got going on. I think the taste, from what everybody says about it, is dynamite. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going with a reverse sear on this tri-tip. I was a bit confused the way it was packaged. I thought it was really fat at one end. I had to unwrap it. So I got the thing going on the grill. Got the internal temp probe in. Let's check her out. Got some smoke. And yes, I added some extra cracked black peppercorn. It looked a little thin to me, so I added a little bit to that. Nothing else. Any solution that's on that marinade is going to be salty, so you didn't want to add any salt. So just some cracked black pepper, maybe garlic if you want. And we're going to let that roll. Probably going to take a couple hours. It's a little over 3 pounds. We're going to do 263. I just opened it up, but we were at 297. So we're going to try to cook it right around 300 degrees. Get that thing up to 125. Sear the heck out of both sides real fast, maybe 2 minutes a side. Pull it off, let it rest. All right, the Inkbird is saying the internal temp is 126. It's only been an hour. We've been fluctuating right around 300, 310 sometimes. We're down to 280 right now. I damped it off. I was out mowing the lawn. So anyway, saying 126. Let's check it with another internal probe. If it's ready, we're going to sear that sucker. Oh yeah, she's ready. 127, 29. Check another spot. Yep. Oh, she's coming down. All right. The ink bird was not lying to me, so we're gonna sear this guy up real quick. Let that hunk of hickory catch. Ooh, she got some juice. We're gonna flip it for the first sear. That smells amazing, folks. Hot dang. Get yourself a cold one. This is great. It smells like a freaking awesome tomahawk ribeye. Smelling absolutely delicious. We're gonna pull this guy off, let it rest, make sure the board's clear. Oh yeah. While we're letting that rest, behold my collection. Beer hunting season has gone well. Heck yeah. 3 gold, 3 silver, 2 orange, and a lot of blue. Pop the top to that one. Yep. Pretty damn excited. Every year, Keystone does the beer hunt challenge. I think it's fun. It's awesome. And when you catch one, I don't know. It's like Christmas to me. Like a little kid, I get that, and I'm like, what? I just get giddy inside, man. Awesome. So if you're a Keystone Light drinker, check out the beer hunt this year. Jump in. Free to join. Just buy a 30-pack, 15-pack, whatever you want. It could be in there. Good all-day drinker. I like it. And this tri-tip is smelling phenomenal. We got about another 10 minutes on that guy. We'll slice into that and we see what we've got going on. The smell is saying delicious. I can't wait. How about you guys? Comment down below. Have you cooked the tri-tip before? Any other better methods than I got going on here? Personally, I would have rather it not been in a marinade, but hey, I found one. Awesome. So we're going to slice into this in just a moment. folks, we got it cut up. There's a train in the background. Of course, that's how it works around here. Check that out. Wow. Smell is amazing. Yeah, gotta get a thumbnail. That is good. That's very, very good. And a great price point. $5 a pound. That beef flavor is phenomenal. That's awesome. So moist. It's just oozing. Oozing. Really, really good stuff. Man, that's so good. I'm glad I found this today. Next one though, I hope to find one with no seasoning or nothing on it, just a plain one, and I'll do my own gimmick. Yep. Alright folks, if you've never tried tri-tip, much like myself, go get yourself some. This was amazing, delicious, and the price is right, man. Totally, you can't beat it. $5 a pound, at least in my area, upstate New York. Other areas, yeah, obviously more. Better cut, maybe could be more. I had to do a little bit of trimming on this. I think I could have cut a little bit more fat off, but I left that one top cap on, and I'm happy with it. Really, really good stuff. Now, I'm gonna take this last bite, go get a cold one, put this up, plate it up, bring it in the house for everybody to devour. All right, folks, I'll catch you guys on the next cook. Peace. So juicy. Hell yeah. Yes, I found some tri-tip in my store.